Hey, Keith, fuck these niggas up.
Glizzy. Yeah. Him. 5L. Presidential rollin'. Yeah, you know my name, and you best believe I told it. Glizzy be the name, and this bitch just said I'm goated. Ayy, I just bought it yesterday, but drive it like it's stolen. Ayy, that ain't enough money in your pocket if you can fold it. Big ass chain, it hurt my shoulders. $1,000 in my soda. Red Richard Coca-Cola. Ayy, when you